everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought today that I'd film just a quick video showing you what I've packed to go on holiday to the seaside for a week with my 18-month-old little boy. If you haven't already, then head over and watch my video, after this one of course, on what I've packed in the carry-on bag for my toddler for our flight. There are lots of hints and tips and tricks in there for ideas on how to play with your toddler on the plane or at the airport, and lots of little ideas on how to distract them. If you'd like to see more videos like these, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you pack in your bag for your little one when you go away, because this is only probably our second or third holiday, and certainly our first holiday with an 18-month-old. We haven't been since last year, so I'm new to all of this. I'd love for you to give me any of your hints or tips or tricks for packing, and I'm sure other people would love to hear them as well. So this is everything I've packed for our 1 week trip down to the south of England to the seaside. So I'll just show you quickly what I've got here for Finley, who's my 18-month-old. So I've packed 2 pairs of smarter trousers, a pair of like corduroy trousers, and a pair of jeans. These ones I think are from Sainsbury's. Yeah, Sainsbury's. And these ones are from the Gap. Everything that's here I don't think is any longer in stock, but I will tell you where it's from just in case. These joggers are from TK Maxx, and then I've packed both t-shirts and long sleeve tops because the weather's so changeable down there. You never really know what's going to happen with it, and the forecast is kind of cloudy and about 12 or 13 degrees, but we'll see. So I've packed 3 t-shirts. This one again is from TK Maxx. In fact, that one came with those trousers, so I thought that was nice because we're going to the seaside. And then there's this top, which is from Morrison's, as is this Mickey Mouse one. That is an official Disney one though, from Morrison's. And then we've got here some long sleeve tops. This one is from the First Impressions range at Macy's. We got it when we went to New York at Christmas. So that's that one. And then there's this one, which is also from the same brand. And then there's just 2 simple coloured tops from Boots. This one's from Cat and Jack. And then I've packed 1 smarter shirt, and that's for just if we go out for a nice meal or see friends and family, and that one's from Sainsbury's. For vests, I've just packed 3 long sleeve vests because we are staying with family and there will be washing facilities, laundry facilities, so I think 3 will be enough. And I've just got 1 short sleeve one just in case. And then we've got 2 sleep suits. He's 18 months, but he still sleeps in sleep suits at night time. Those are just 2 really old hand-me-downs from his cousin from Sainsbury's. And then obviously socks. These are his slippers, which we're taking. They are brilliant. They're from the Toiletries brand. I got them off Amazon, and they're fantastic because they open up like this. Tricky to do with one hand. And you pop your little one's foot in there, and then you fold the flaps over the front. And it makes it, first of all, really impossible for them to get the slippers off, and just means that their feet stay really warm and toasty as well. They've got grips on the bottom, so they're great for slippy surfaces as well. And as you can see, he's worn them to death. They're about £11, so not the cheapest, but I definitely recommend it if you were like me and looking for warm winter slippers that would keep your little one's feet warm without falling off. So here I've got Finley's clothes for travelling. So just a pair of socks and a hoodie. That one's obviously from the Gap. And then just again another simple blue t-shirt. That's the one that came with the other 2 in a pack. And then these are new, I got for his travels. They're from Morrison's as well, and I just thought they were really perfect for the seaside because they've got penguins and narwhals and seals and seagulls on. So those are for travelling, nice and cosy. And then I have also got, if you watched my what's in my toddler's carry-on bag, I have packed another pair of joggers and another top for his carry-on luggage, so we'll have those with us as well. And then for bedtime, he still sleeps with a white noise machine. This is the My Hummy, and then he does sometimes have dummies at night time still, so I'm taking those. These are his toiletries. Well, we've got some cutlery. He's just getting better at using cutlery by himself, so we'll take those down because grandparents won't have them down there. He never gets nappy rash, so I'm just going to take this really small sample size that we had just in case. Hairbrush, moisturiser from Aveeno. Love this one because he has eczema and it really helps. That's some Factor 50 just in case. Just a little head to toe body wash that will do us for the week. Toothpaste and a toothbrush, and this is a silicone jug that we have for the bath for just washing his hair and things. And then we've got a few toys here. That's a bath book, and then two of his favourite books at the moment, which are the Maisie books. Maisie Goes to the Museum and Maisie Goes to the Library. He's completely obsessed with those. Grandparents do have some toys for him down there, but we're just going to take these stacking cups, and we've also got this shaky egg just in case. And then finally just some outerwear. So we've got wellies here. These are by the brand Boggs. They're fantastic. I highly recommend them. They're really warm inside. They're a fleece material inside. The thing that I like about them the best, apart from them being neoprene on the outside, so they're water resistant, and fleece on the inside, is that they're so easy to get on because they open at the back. And if your little one's got chunky feet like mine, it can be really difficult to get their feet in traditional wellies, and then they just strap up at the back there, and they're fantastic. They don't keep their feet completely dry. Well, certainly we've found that they don't, if they're splashing in puddles or wading in the water like my little one tends to do. But if they're just walking around in the rain or the semi-wet, they'll be absolutely fine in those. So we're taking those. We're also taking his normal shoes, but he's out wearing them at the moment. And then we've just got a raincoat. This one is from Sainsbury's. And then a warmer coat. As I said, I don't know what the weather's going to be like, so we'll take this to the airport and he can travel in this one. This is from Jules. And then finally just a jumper, and this one's from Next, and Grandad loves the Rolling Stones, so we thought that that would be an apt one to take with us. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well so that you keep up to date on when I post new videos. I'll see you really soon. Bye.